By the early 1950s, the United States entered a period of sustained economic growth. The destruction of industry across much of Europe and Asia during World War II left American manufacturing in a dominant position. Factories that had produced military equipment shifted back to civilian goods. Cars, appliances, televisions, and household products rolled off assembly lines at unprecedented scale. Employment expanded alongside production. Millions of veterans returned to civilian jobs, and wages rose steadily during the decade. Labor unions remained influential in many industries, helping negotiate higher pay and benefits for industrial workers. For many families, this meant greater financial stability than earlier generations had known. Home ownership expanded rapidly. Government-backed mortgages and suburban construction allowed many middle-class families to purchase houses for the first time. The house became the center of a new vision of American life: steady work, family routines, and long-term financial security. Consumer spending grew as well. Supermarkets replaced many neighborhood markets, offering larger selections of packaged foods and household products. Department stores expanded. Advertising increasingly shaped how Americans thought about comfort, convenience, and success. Credit also began to change purchasing habits. Charge cards and installment plans made it possible for families to buy expensive items such as appliances or furniture and pay for them over time. Work itself took on a recognizable structure. Office jobs expanded alongside manufacturing work, and the 9-to-5 schedule became common in many sectors of the economy. Yet the prosperity of the decade was not evenly shared. Housing discrimination limited where many black families could purchase homes. Agricultural workers, many rural communities, and some immigrant populations remained outside the expanding middle class. Even within households, expectations were clearly defined. Men were typically seen as primary wage earners, while women were often expected to manage the home, even if many had worked during the war years. For millions of Americans, the 1950s offered a sense of economic security and predictable routine. Steady employment, rising consumption, and expanding suburbs helped define the image of post-war prosperity. But the structure of that prosperity, who benefited from it and who did not, would become an increasingly important question in the decades that followed.